Hi, this is Raman Gill. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a double top trade setup. A double top trade setup is a bearish reversal pattern, and we're looking for price to drop. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what this trade setup looks like, how to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit. If we're looking at a double top trade setup, this is Euro US dollar 1 hour chart. A double top trade setup is when price goes into a support resistance level, tests the level, and then bounces off of that resistance level and goes back and tests the level second time, and then we see a rejection at that level. We can see in this example, price went into this resistance level, bounced off of that, and then retested the same resistance level. And this time we see a nice bearish engulfing candle close here with pins on the top. So this is also a tweezer top trade setup here as well. We see two rejections at the same price level. So once we get this nice bearish candle close here, this is time for us to enter the trade. So we will enter the trade short here because we expect price to drop just like it did last time off of this level. Our stop would go above the pins here, and we want to make sure that we give trade some room to breathe. So we enter the trade short and we stay with our trade as the price is moving lower. And we see that when price comes into this level here, it starts to go sideways. So we keep an eye on this. We see that the price holds below this previous support resistance level right here. So we stay with the trade and price continues lower. Price comes into the next support or resistance area here, and then it starts to go sideways. And now we are getting deeper pullbacks here. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade, because after this point, even though it looks like price is dropping, we don't really know where it's going to go. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 135 pips in the trade. So just to recap, we are looking at a double top trade setup. We see that price comes into our resistance level and then bounces off of that level, goes to test the same level once again, and we get a nice reversal pattern there. This makes our double top trade setup here. We take our entry short at the close of this bearish candle. Stop would go above the pins, just making sure there is enough room just in case price comes and tests the level once again. And we stay with the trade as long as price is moving lower. And once we see that price starts to pull back, and we don't know if it's going to go any lower at this point, so we exit the trade. From entry to exit, our profit is 135 pips or $1,350 if trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more great trade setups like this, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.